I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. Where's the money?
Hey, greetings, family. What's going on? It's Cornez with Too Smart to Be Broke. Thank you for coming to the channel today. If it's your first time here, I'm not talking about generational wealth, making money online, business credit, and things of that nature. But I'm talking about Forex today. My last video I made, I showed you how I had like $100 account and a couple trades that I took. And all I want to do really is just give you an update on that account. I think it's been maybe in 2 days since I posted that video. So let's just go ahead and get into it here. All right, I'm gonna open up MetaTrader, and you can see here, if we look at trade, I have a balance of 209.88, and you see the two trades I took. I actually took another one. It was like earlier, but sometime the time, because of the time frame, it doesn't show. So let's go to, this is what the trades I took during a week. So you see the 12.87 on the 22nd, on the 23rd you see the $33, and then you see the other two for all around about $30. So boom. So if you go for the month, you can see that's when I actually loaded up the $100. I lost 33 cents, and then I got 17 cents 48 cents just testing out the account. Then when I got more confident, I have another account, but I just wanted to start this one and share with you all to show you what's possible. So you can see pretty much yesterday, because the time frame is a little different, I made like $90 on this account using the NAS 100. All right, so that is it's an indice. It's not like a regular pair like Euro, USD or something like that. Only certain brokers you can trade that, but you can look up NAS 100. You can see it's pretty much like some of the top 100 companies, in America or whatnot. Amazon and Google and stuff, I believe. So, been trading that, and it moves very, people say volatile, but for me, movement equals money. If you know what you're doing. So be very mindful of that. So you see, I'm moving. I'm doing 0.01s on NAS, and you can do the math there, and I'll probably talk about pips and stuff later, but I'm really just want to show you and document it. I'm not here to teach anybody anything. I just want to show you the balance is 209.88, and originally the balance was somewhere around $112. So I'll be coming back in the next couple of days, and hopefully we'll be up to 300, 400, or maybe even 500, and I'll come back with another video then. Yeah, all right, family, that's pretty much it. You see how I took $100, now it's up to 209. I'm gonna continue to post my results with this account so you all can see. Remember, for free information on learning about it, babypips.com. It's completely free. I've paid, everything I've done. Most of the time I've done due diligence, I studied, or I bought into some type of course or something like that. But from everything that I see, like, go to babypips.com and learn support and resistance, learn market structure, learn all the basics when it comes to what is a pip. Learn what is bullish, what is bearish. Bullish, when the market is in an uptrend; bearish when the market is in a downtrend. When you progress, and you get to learn about the Fibonacci, and you learn about different things, okay? But it is something like, it's called the Forex market, foreign exchange, and it was very foreign to me when I looked at it. I was like, man, it looked foreign. But when I got connected with actually who I connected with right now, and they actually been, the way it's structured has been more, it just hit home. I put it like that, it just hit home. I learned a lot from Jeremy Cash, young CEO. I learned a lot from Baby Pips. I even learned from Coach Max at the time that I was with Trader. But I wouldn't, at no point in time was I really taking it seriously. But lately, I just like, let me buckle down because I see what's going on. And then when I jumped in with Profit Babies, it just like, I was already getting there when I was learning with Coach Max strategy and whatnot, doing some back testing. But this right here, let me show you my little setup that I got. And I'm not here to promote to nobody, and ain't none of that. I ain't doing none of that. Just go to Baby Pips for free. But let me show you my setup real quick. So here's a little setup. Yeah, I'm taking a video off of my phone. So here's a little setup. I got the 5 minute on the left side and the 1 hour chart on the right side of NAS. And this is in trading view. I like trading view just because it's easier on the eyes, it's easier to back test. rather than using MetaTrader 4. I do trade on MetaTrader 4, but I'm looking at my charts and analyzing and doing everything there. So you see I got a couple of indicators on behalf of Profit Baby. And and everybody has different approaches to trading. So when it comes to that, I definitely agree with being able to read the chart, look at the chart without having indicator, just so you can know you got that skill set. But I am all about having the right tools to do the job. So if I have, if I'm taking a screw out of wall, I know I might be able to get it with my hand, but it might work better with a screwdriver. It might work more efficiently. So since we in the age of technology, we got a couple things to actually confirm our analysis. That's how I look at it. You make your analysis, you use these tools to confirm them. And so far so good. Have I took losses? Yeah, I took some losses, but I use those as learning lessons because this is a mental sport. That's how I see it. You can look at it as a business for sure, a way to make some money or profit, but it's a mental sport because after you make your analysis, you're gonna have to pretty much trust yourself, roll with it, do proper risk management, and know that the market, even if the market is going up or down, it moves up and down all the time. Even if it's trying to go high, it gotta go down and up. It's just how it moves. So not everybody can deal with that as far as emotionally, that emotional connection. So you have to be able to treat this, be very particular, and don't treat it like gambling. But make your analysis and make the most the best educated analysis you can on whatnot, and trade with the trend. Trade with the trend. So I don't want to make this video long because I'm not here to teach anybody anything. All I'm doing is showing the growth of an account over a little period of time. So I recommend babypips.com. It's free information. And sometimes you got to read information like 7 times for you to comprehend it. I highly recommend studying it because it's the only way you're going to put yourself in a position with this here to really get it. But there's a lot of groups out there. Like I said, I was part of Trader for a while. There's a lot of groups out there that make money with recruiting, and it's business with me. So you can make money if you can help people make money by recruiting people. I mean, people make money by Forex, either way. But I think that learning the skill set of trading is more important in my opinion. But it depends on your business model. But I think it's more important than trying to get people to come along with you. And now, unless you just that cold with teaching them the game so they can do both. You feel me? But either way, a lot of people get their pockets ate up trying to pay for the monthly fees if they're not really making money by trading, depending on who you're rocking with. So if you are looking at getting a mentor or looking at joining somebody's community, just make sure it's somebody who actually gonna teach you the best of their abilities how to trade. So many different strategies that I can't even begin to try to even teach this stuff. I don't want to overcomplicate it. It's just that people do stuff different ways all the time. But anyway, I get to rambling and talking. Maybe next video I have 300, 400, 500, but we'll see. And if I take losses on that account, y'all gonna see that too. But I'm trying to have good risk management on this account, and cut them quick. Cause $200, you can do a little stuff, and you can see if I go from 100 to 200, then you can go from 1,000 to 10,000. It's just about doing things the same way and being consistent. Anyway, I'm out. I see y'all in the next video. Peace.